Hi guys, today I want to take a look at importing blocks into your Trimble Business Center project. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get right into it. So I have opened a new template, a new project, and under drafting we should find a whole tab menu called blocks. So you can create your blocks, you can import, insert, and purge blocks. So let's go look at the import blocks, because Trimble has created a whole bunch of them for us to mess around. So let me just bring it up here into the middle a little bit. So as you can see, I have no block files, nothing, but you have the grid sheets, node arrows, scale bars, feet, scale bar, meter, and symbols. So let's look at the node arrows. That's the most the one I use the most when I print something and I don't need to put more. So I'll hit import. This will import the whole block, all the node arrows they have prepared for us. And as you can see, here is kind of like a preview of all those node arrows, right? So we have these kind of different types, so we can actually sneak it in here, and if we zoom in, it will show us all of them, how they're gonna look. Now if you just want to import the individual one, you can just click right, and this one is NA1, 2, 3, 4. So I like, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, NA5, and I'm just gonna click location, NA5, click location, and there is my node arrow. If we want to take a quick peek at some other blocks which are here available, so let's go do the import blocks, and let's do import, let's say, symbols. And again, it should open up and it should show us all the symbols which we have there. So, you know, point symbols or some trees or anything. Well, let's see what else we have there. Yeah, look at, they even got a called pipe box and all that stuff. So these are commonly used in different CAD softwares, but yeah, I used to always import a block from CAD for my node arrow. So let's take a look at the grid sheet and the scale bars as well. So here are the scale bars, different types. So as you can see, this is very easy how to add your node arrow or some symbols into Trimble Business Center. So hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.